Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube space. My name is Mueni. If you are new here, hey, you are welcome, and please make sure you subscribe to this channel. This channel is mostly about makeup, home decor, and just my life generally. Well, let's jump straight into this video. This video today is very special for all those people who are actually starting their makeup as beginners. So this is just a starter pack or a makeup guide for all beginners. But if you're also like a pro, you can learn a few tips from me. You can also learn a few tips from me. So sit back and watch this video till the end. This video is going to be very detailed, step by step.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, every minute she's so bad. She don't pay the brag. The gas in the back of the set, every minute she's so bad. She don't pay the brag. The gas in the back of the set, every minute she's so bad. She don't pay the brag. The gas in the back of the set, every minute she's so bad. She don't pay the brag. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the set, every minute she's so bad. She don't pay the brag. The gas in the back of the set, every minute she's so bad. She don't pay the brag. The gas in the back of the set, every minute she's so bad. She don't pay the brag. The
you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. all this conversation. You know you that bitch when you cause all this conversation. You know you that bitch when you cause all this conversation. You know you that bitch when you cause all this conversation. My daddy Alabama, my daddy Alabama, my daddy Alabama, my daddy Alabama, my daddy, my daddy, my daddy, my daddy. Music make you lose control.
Hey guys, so this is actually the final look and I am impressed. So if you guys want to see how I made these calls overnight, just tell me down in the comment section if you want me to do a video of this. So, ciao ciao. Please make sure you subscribe. I love you.